A very warm good morning to all my dear students. I'm Hardesh Bajpayee and I'm going to teach you computer this year. So, welcome to your first computer class of this session. This is the cover page of your computer book, Tools 16, and this book is based on MS Office 2016 and Windows 10 version. Okay, now let's have a look at the contents of this book. These all are the chapters in which some new chapters are introduced in your book. Okay, like for example, OneNote and programming in Scratch. These two are the new chapters which are introduced in this book this year. Previous year, these chapters were not there. Okay, so this year we will learn many more things about computer. We will learn about some more applications. Okay, so I hope you all are ready to rock this year. Okay, so now I will tell you about some computer manners. Then I will start chapter 1, evolution of computers. Okay, for using a computer system, you all should know that how you should behave in front of computer, how you should sit in front of computer, how you should use the computer, what you should do, what you should not do. Like first, always clean your computer with a dry cloth. So whenever you want to clean your system, so always use a dry cloth. Don't use a wet cloth, because you all knows that computer is an electronic machine and wet cloth can damage the electronic device, and it may cause electric shock to you as well. Okay, do not touch the wires of the computer when it is on. So when you are using computer, it is in on state, so don't use any wire and don't touch the electric board. Okay, it can cause electric shock. Okay, so take care of this part. And one more thing, whenever you are using computers, always wear slippers and don't sit or stand on a wet place. Okay, next is never eat or drink anything near a computer. So while using computer, don't eat or drink anything, because if you will eat anything, it will make the place dirty, and mistakenly if any uh, liquid pour around the keyboard or mouse, it can damage these devices. And maintain the silence and discipline in the computer lab. So whenever you are in computer lab, so you should maintain the silence and discipline. Okay, because discipline is very important for student life. Either you are in computer lab or anywhere, you are in the school or outside the school also, discipline is the very important part. Press the keys of the keyboard gently. Sometimes it happens that you press any key and it doesn't work. So it doesn't mean that you will press the key hardly. Okay, it can damage the keyboard. Okay, just be patient and don't use the keyboard hardly. Press the keys gently. And one very important thing, that how you should sit in front of computer. So you should always sit in this position in front of computer. You should sit straight and maintain the distance from the monitor while using a computer. There should be a distance between your eyes and computer screen, because as you will go closer to the computer screen, so it will harm your eyes. Okay, it will affect your eyesight. Okay, so you should maintain the distance between your eyes and computer screen. Okay, now come back to your computer book. Evolution of computers. This is the first chapter of your book. Okay, so before talking about computer, let's talk about something human. You all knows that there is a very large history behind the humans, means the development of human, how we came in this state wherever we are. So there is a very long history, very broad history behind the development of human being. So you all knows that we are using computer in so many fields nowadays, but basically it was not designed for those purposes. Okay, well, basically it was designed for the computing purpose only. Okay, so first let's look at the keywords of this chapter. What we will learn in this chapter: we will learn about the history of computers, how the computer development had take place, and some early IT inventors, those who have contributed in the development of computer. And we will also learn about different generations of computer, and we will know about different calculating devices. We will learn about ENIAC and UNIVAC 1 and types of computers also. So there are so many things that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's get started with the history of computers. Okay, so every aspect of our lives in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machines known as computer. We all know that computer is the very important part of our lives nowadays, especially when we all are connected through computers only for this online education system. Initially, computers were introduced only. Computers were used by the scientists and engineers only for complex calculations. Okay, and so the basic purpose was to do calculations only. So computers were designed for performing complex calculations and for keeping records of the calculations. And at that time computers were very expensive and not in the reach of normal people. But nowadays computers are affordable for all of us. There are so many types of computers that we use according to our purposes. Do you all know that the mobile phone that we all are using is also a kind of a computer system? So it's in the reach of individual, is affordable to all, and it has now became a basic need because of their use, and almost every workplace we uses computers, like banks, hospitals, media and entertainment industries, schools, homes, space technology and research, railways, airports, and so many places are there where we use computer now. And nowadays, even in whenever we go in any small shop,